Hello and welcome to the Online Excel Tip YouTube channel. I am Anil Dhawan and in this quick video tutorial, I am going to talk about mode function. The Excel mode function is used to return a leftover that is also called as a remainder after division of a number by divisor value. And the function is really useful in situations where sum of every nth row or column is required or need to highlight or count the odd and even numbers and in many more cases. This short video demonstrates the functionality of this function and you will understand the use of it. So here is the syntax of this function. The function takes a couple of arguments. The first argument number is the number to be divided and the second argument divisor is the number to divide it with. And in the first example, we are provided with some numbers and the divisor value. So here in this case, we refer to this number followed by the divisor value which is given here, and then when we close and hit enter, we can see the function has returned the remainder as 0 in this case because 3 goes into 9 3 times with the remainder of 0, and the same we can see here. And when we apply the function for the second record and we take the number and the divisor value and then execute this function, the function returns the answer as 3 this time. That's because 4 goes into 51 12 times with the remainder of 3, and the same we get here. And similarly, when you drag this function down, the function returns 4 for the number 49 since 9 goes into 49 5 times with the leftover value as 4. This function can also be used in situations where you have to extract the timestamp from date and time serial number. So in this case, we are given couple of date and time serial number, and here we have to get the time value only. So we enter the function here, and then in the number argument, we'll supply this date and time serial number followed by a divisor value as only 1, and then when you close and simply hit the function returns the serial number of time only in date and time format. And you simply have to get into the cell back and then open the format cells dialog box, and from the custom formatting you simply remove date formatting part, and then when you click on OK, you can only see the time here. That's happening because if you look at this date and time serial number, Excel stores date and time as serial number where the integer part represents the date portion and the fractional part is representing the time part. And as you can see, the divisor was supplied as 1. So 1 goes into this serial number by 43,110 times with the remainder of 0.56237, and this 0.56237 represents 13 hours 29 minutes, and the same we can see here. So you simply drag this function down and you get the time for the second record as well. So the other use of mode function can also be seen to perform logical tests using in features like data validation, conditional formatting, etc. That's it in this short video, but I will be coming up with more videos of mode function with different and customized examples. If you found this tutorial useful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the next uploads. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.